COVID-19 naturally led many people to look for ways to avoid grocery stores and grow food in their own house or apartment. Some recent studies indicate that about 80% of those who took up indoor gardening during the pandemic have continued to do it. If you're among those who are just beginning to grow your own, so to speak, here are some foods that are likely to get you off to a successful start. Carrots. Carrots don't need much space, but they do have to be planted in soil that's deep enough for them to grow. They also need a lot of light, at least 12 hours a day, and they do best in temperatures of 60 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Green onions. Green onions are popular because they don't require much care or sunshine. They're cost efficient because you can use seeds, or you can simply replant the root end of the onion after using the top. Salad greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula lead the list here. They'll grow quickly, and they'll do best in rooms with a lot of sunlight. Radishes. Radishes also grow quickly and are table ready in only 5 to 6 weeks. They don't need as much light as many other veggies, but you do need to make sure they have enough space for their bulbs to grow. Microgreens. Microgreens are essentially seedlings of edible vegetables and herbs. Popular microgreens right now come from arugula, basil, beets, kale, and cilantro. There are about 2 dozen other varieties available as well. Microgreens are tiny, but they pack a lot of nutritional punch per ounce, up to 40 times more vitamins and nutrients than fully grown plants. They're ready to go to the table in only about 2 to 3 weeks. Herbs. Popular herbs right now include chives, parsley, cilantro, oregano, mint, rosemary, sage, and thyme. Herbs do best in areas with a lot of sunshine and warmth, 70 degrees Fahrenheit or better. Growing herbs and vegetables in your house or apartment is a healthy way to save money and enjoy fresh produce at home. When you do it right, even the smallest spaces can produce a surprising harvest and a significant saving to your grocery budget. To learn more about growing vegetables indoors, click on the links in the description section for this video.